has gone to market. We did style it, it has sold, but let's go through and talk about our philosophy and why we've done what we've done. This one is in Geebung. This is in the inner northwest of Brisbane. It is actually for our top real estate agent that we do styling for. We do a lot of work for this agency. This particular property is a complete renovation done by a developer that was new to us. We haven't met this person before. We've never styled for this homeowner before, this developer before. We have since though locked in another 3 for him, and he's taking multiple properties to the market. So you can see that he's taken the property and he's given it a whole new lease of life. Our direction here was to make the styling stay neutral, light and bright. For this particular agent, she loves pastel colors throughout the home, and then we like everything kept really balanced. When I say balanced, what she likes is whites, oaks and pastel colors. We don't tend to bring any of our darker colors. We don't tend to use many of our colored sofas, and that's what you'll see throughout here. The results are it photographs beautifully. It photographs very bright in a space that could be a little bit more compact. It makes it feel a bit bigger. So you can see we have a great 2.5-seater size sofa here. It's almost a 3-seater, but not quite. We have 2 armchairs, an amazing outdoor size here. If we only styled that with one, when a homeowner comes back to us and says, if the price point is a little bit too high, can we look at doing that? We could say, look, we can drop an outdoor space. It's going to save you $350. If we had have done that, that would have been the wrong thing to do, because we're really sacrificing the styling, the story of the property in order to get a job across the line, and that's not how we should do it. This is the draw part of this home. Aside from the reno, the outdoor living space. You can see we're backing onto a park, so we need to make the very best use of that as we can. Everything is about complementing the space, as I've spoken about. Glass top dining tables, the lighter furniture, making sure that we have great thoroughfare, and then a subtle hint of green throughout the property. You'll see it's carried all the way through. The end result, this sold after the first weekend. We packed it up after 2 weeks. So it actually had an incredible outcome from the owners. This is why we have ongoing work for them.